I'm going to show you the easiest way to start posting videos directly to Facebook from your desktop. Let's jump in. All right, so to get things started, you want to open up Facebook, and then you want to go over into the top right-hand corner and click on your profile picture here to take you to your main page. And if you want to just start typing something to have a message, you can type it there. Or for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video directly into Facebook rather than just adding a link from YouTube or another site. This is how to upload the video directly to Facebook and be able to have it autoplay when people scroll over that. So right below what's on your mind, you'll see photos and video. You click on that and you'll see a big box here that says add photo and video. You click on the plus sign and it'll take you to your file manager. So you just scroll to wherever your video is. I'm just going to click on a random video here, click on open, and it will add it in there. Now, this is the key distinction. There's two elements here that we're working on. We're working on the information that's associated with the video, which is going to be housed on Facebook. And then we also have the post that's going to be associated with that video. So if you write something up here, you could write, check out this video. Okay, now that will be what's on the post of that. Now, to edit the information actually with the video, you want to click on video options. And then here you can add the video title, great tips for video. Okay, you can add some tags, video how to guide. You can add collaborators. If you have other people that helped with the video that you want to tag them in, you could add those there. You could add captions if you have captions associated with the video or an SRT file. If not, it'll auto-generate for you, so you could just click that. And once you have that information sort of added in there and you have it the way that you want to make sure you click save so that it saves all that information with it. And we're going to go into here and we're going to go, we want to change the thumbnail. So again, you have a couple of different options. You could use one of the ones that Facebook suggests for that. You could upload your own image. You could choose from the video, whatever you want. So I'm just going to click on the ones that they suggest. So we'll use that image there. You could optimize it. All right. And you can see up here in the corner, it's 100% uploaded. Now it still has not been posted. It just means that everything is up there and ready to go for your post. And then once you have all of that set, when you click next, you can preview the post. You can change who sees the post, whether it's public to everyone or it's just available to friends and family or is a private video, whatever you want there. And if you're a business page, you also have the option to schedule it for later if you're not ready to post it right now, but you want to have that go out later. And then if this is a business page, which mine is, you can also have access to the Meta Center to be able to see some of the analytics behind the video and see how it's performing, or you can pay to have it boosted, which is what you do here if you want to do that. Otherwise, you could just click on post and it'll cycle through here. All right, and after I refresh the page here, then you can see here is the video popping up and it's playing automatically. It's on mute. Also, if people navigate to your page, you can see that the video shows up there as well. And then you'll be able to see any of the comments that are on there, people that like, and it's all in there that way. So it's that easy to post a video directly to your Facebook page from your desktop. Hope this helps you out. I'll see you in the next video.